The glazed metal roof roll forming machine is a state-of-the-art equipment designed specifically for the production of glazed metal roof panels. It utilizes a roll forming process to transform metal coils into durable and aesthetically appealing roofing elements. This machine incorporates advanced technology and precision engineering to ensure consistent panel dimensions, excellent surface finish, and efficient production. The glazed metal roof roll forming machine features an automated operation, reducing manual labor and increasing production efficiency. The machine's integrated control system allows for easy adjustment of parameters such as panel length, thickness, and speed, ensuring precise and consistent output. The glazed metal roof roll forming machine represents a significant advancement in the roofing industry, providing manufacturers with an efficient and precise solution for producing high-quality glazed metal roof panels. With its customizable panel profiles, automated operation, and cost-effective benefits, this machine empowers roofing professionals to meet diverse project requirements while improving productivity and maintaining superior product quality.